Hello guys, this is Muhammad here. I'm back for another video. Today I'll walk you through how to show up icon battery. It's not found here. The first thing you go to setting. After you go to setting, it's back. Sorry. Uh, Go to and you see you have find here and go and type. Taskbar. You see taskbar setting. Click on it. You scroll down and notification area, you will select which icon appear on the taskbar and wait for a second, looking for scroll down until you see the power icon. You need to enable it. You'll see it's pop up here. And this video for today, I hope it's helpful for you, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to see new stuff, and see you next time guys. Bye bye.